Minnesota, USA, April 1, 2023. An April Fool's Day blizzard knocked out power to tens of thousands of homes and businesses across central and southern Minnesota early Saturday and made for treacherous travel conditions across the region. The National Weather Service reported 8.5 inches of snow at Minneapolis-St International Airport. That pushes the season's snow total 89.7 inches, the third greatest on record for the Twin Cities. In the Twin Cities and across much of central and southern Minnesota, the precipitation has started as rain, heavy at times, on Friday before changing over to snow on Friday night. Northerly winds gusted in excess of 40 miles per hour in the region late Friday, prompting the Weather Service to issue blizzard warnings overnight.
Turned into a bit of a ghost town around here with all the snow. We've been plowing for...
The wet, heavy snow left an icy coating on every surface, including trees, roads, and power lines. As of 9 a.m. Sunday, about 70,000 Xcel Energy customers remain without power in its service area in Minnesota, most of those in the Twin Cities. That was down from more than 215,000 overnight in Minnesota and western Wisconsin. The utility said the storm caused damage to trees, poles, and power lines.
I thought this was all over.
Meanwhile, Minneapolis-St International Airport also reported several dozen canceled or delayed flights Saturday morning.